Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Once and always, this is not financial advice. Don't do something just because the internet told you to. Do your research, figure things out, and maybe do something because the internet also told you to do it. I'm sure the internet can also tell you not to do things. The internet tells you everything, so you gotta sift through it. Be a smart, responsible adult like I know you are. That said, we're here today to talk about Elon Musk. It boasts it's going to replace US dollar as a global reserve currency. I'd say that's optimistic. Here we have Adam reaching out for one of these little icons. They're doing a coin market cap. As of November 16th, CoinGecko, live on CoinStore. And we've got this cheeky little logo here. See what I did there? Cheeky because of the... I hate myself. Let's check out their website. Now, we got more of the logos. Actually, maybe those are lemons. That one's yellow. And the pink lemon and the rainbow lemon. One coin to rule them all. Ooh, a game? Let's check it out. The smoking pink lemon. Alright. Music. Give this one more shot. Cactus. Cone. 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 Cactus. Cone. Oh, you can connect the wallet there. So, got stuff you can buy. Bird looks strange. Dear humans, we are the Allens from the Allenverse. After many years of consideration, we have decided to directly contact you through means we calculated the most convenient. For a meme coin, the reason for contacting you is that your civilization is in a steady spiral to its devastating demise. So I have noticed things on your planet have seemed to go down a pretty awful state. We're telling you. So anyway, they have this big narrative of what they're doing. They have accomplished everything and they want to help us do stuff. Oh, there's a dead one. But it's a king. Now, there's one riding a horse. Now let's check out the roadmap here. So, phase 1. Launched EX listing, CEX listing, staking. That's where we are. Now, we are here. We can rebrand to another word. I'm not going to analyze what that is. And they'll launch NFTs. Must replace USD as global reserve currency. Okay, so they're bold. They've got some jokes. I don't know what their can't tell what exactly their game is, to be perfectly honest. So liquidity, they've got things that resemble a legitimate NFT, but then they talk big, like saying they're going to replace USD, which that's really bold talk. I admire their chutzpah. There's something there, and I saw something happen with them that I couldn't find anything in their reading. Let me know if you guys read anything about it. They have these. I have never seen these just flat out plateaus. See, everything's always in the candlestick, or the thing. It's usually moving up or down. I've never seen these little straight lines before, or they're always straight lines. I've never seen these horizontal lines that we're seeing here in the green between 23 and 24, 21 and 22. I don't know what's going on there. It's just frozen. No bull, no bear, no animal of any kind. So I'll give it to them. They got something unique. Now, the last day, they have spiked up in value. So, it's got my attention. That's certainly the case. I don't know. I am not sure what to make of this. It's a fascinating concept. At least, it's bold. They've got a sense of humor. I appreciate that. So, check it out. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. And as always, I'll see you at the revolution.